So in this video, I'm going to do a quick overview of the fitness trampoline from BCAN and then show you me using it live in action so you know exactly what to expect when you product your eyes. But this is going to be the trampoline itself. It was super easy to put together. It basically comes like 50% assembled. I love the bar on top. There's a nice piece of foam to keep your hands feeling comfortable. And this can be raised to multiple different heights. So if you're 5'2" or 6 foot, this trampoline is going to work out for you. But now onto the exercises. Personally, there's like three of my favorite ones that I do. First, just running in place. It's just your standard all over type workout for your body. You're going to feel it in your knees, your back, and your legs. The second thing I like to do is jumping up and down and spreading your legs out. So it's kind of like jumping jacks. If you want to do a more intense version, you can do actual jumping jacks. Otherwise, you just hold on for the bar. And this is going to be a great workout on your legs. And now this one I found to actually work out my abs. So you're jumping back and forth and switching your legs in and out, and this is going to get your abs on fire. And really all these workouts are going to make your abs, legs, everything just start burning. So overall, I'm super happy with this fitness trampoline. I mean, there's 100 different exercises you can do. Those are just some of my favorite ones, but very easy to put together, does its job perfectly, super quiet. So I give this 2 thumbs up. If you're looking to get workouts like this, they are running a Black Friday special for this product. You can find that in the description below.